Okay, so the next thing to do, I can't remember if I said this already, would be to shape the nail. Or no, not to shape it, I'm sorry, to buff the nail. Get a buffer and you're gonna just buff over the nail to smooth out any like rough surfaces, any bumps and things of that nature. You're gonna go over the whole nail. And it does leave like this weird like residue, this rubbery type of residue, because it's the odorless monomer that does not happen with regular monomer. So then you're gonna go ahead like I did, and I put the top coat. I just used the top coat and put it over the nail and cured it in the lamp. As I cured it in this, and then I cured it in the lamp. Okay, so everything's good, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of do like another shape up a little bit on this. Oh, so on this nail because it's still a little wonky. Okay, just wanted to make sure it was good and dry. And it's easier when I actually put it in the, there we go. Yes, that looks a lot better actually. Oh, it's coming off. I'm pulling a nail. Oh my God, hold on y'all. So sorry. Let me put this back in here. Snap it back in there real good. Okay, because I was pulling on it. Let me just move this forward. So now I can actually gauge a little bit better now. When I top coat it, I can, yeah, that's much better. Actually make sure because it's looking really, I was like, what is going on? I can't tell. But now I can tell a little bit better. I can just shape this nail a little bit better as well. Okay, that looks much, much better. Okay. Okay, good. Looks good, good, good. Oh, it just looks so still. This part right here. Yeah, it's just kind of warped. It's a little warped. Okay. So just be sure to shape it really, really good. That's all. Shape and buff before you proceed with any nail designs. Very, very important. So you want to get that shape really good and crisp